Weekly exfoliation keeps the dead cells coming off the skin, turning over, making everything sit better. Even if you have a young skin, it is a perfect habit to get into now of exfoliating. Little circles encourages the skin to excrete. Every skin has a combination to it. Sophia's skin is typically a drier skin type, we would classify it, but we've got open pores through here, open pores through here, and open pores through here. So they'll have the tendency for dirt, debris to form little blockages within the pores. So your exfoliation just keeps everything moving along, and it's once a week. Use the same as a cleansing process. Just take it over the top of the so you can feel it's quite firm, the movement, but the product itself is not scratchy or digging into the skin. I see you've got a little bit of sensitivity through the cheeks, so generally you'd find you get quite pink there easily. After exfoliating, the skin should feel really nice and smooth. You can see it's not pink, it's not being disturbed from any granules. Granules are really important when choosing your product.